Hello everyone, welcome back to another trading session. I take my first trade right here. Today I will take a couple of trades without any indicators and using candlestick psychology. The market's looking good today. I have been started looking at the market from somewhere here. I missed this trade. This was a third touch breakout, third touch breaking it and also created higher high. So this was takeable, which I missed. And now I take this because we have this supply area. And when we have this kind of huge candle, and then we have two candles in opposite color, most likely the next candle will be an opposite color candle if we are in a ranging market like this. Okay, if you look at the past, you will see maximum two candles in green. See, previous 15 to 20 candles have the same behavior, so we can trust on this one as well. This market is also a long wick market, so we could take our trade with margin of safety as well. All right, now I will look at the other pairs to see if we have other opportunities. Oh my god, this is a huge gap down. Okay, oh my god, my second entry is terrible. Again, we have a ranging market. We have huge gap down. This is called gap down. When we have this candle closing here, next candle jumps down and starts from here. It's called gap down, and it's always in the favor of buyers. Especially we have resistance, support. This area is a support area in general. We have that huge gap down in a ranging market. It always makes sense to take this trade. Look at this. We have also common point of rejection, but I'm not going to take that one. Common point of rejection is a setup. Look at this. We draw a line between all the common point, all the rejections, and we can get the most rejections in this line, and then we take the trade. Okay, so in this particular trade that we took, if I was waiting for this entry down here, it would be called a safe entry or margin of safety instead of entering immediately. Okay, yeah, so I will just keep looking and see other pairs. Okay, I want to take this. Again, common point of rejection, as I explained. I'm expecting a rejection because market, used to do that. And if it doesn't do that, I will explain why sometimes this happens. Let's say you have a ranging market like this, right? And as long as we are inside the range, this can work very well, as you can see. But since we went out of this range and just we are like out of this previous range, combining these rejections can be a bit risky, just like this one. Okay, if this wasn't happened and we were still inside this range, it would have a good rejection and we would win this trade. That's why you lose some rejection trades. That's because of the market's condition. Okay, for example, we have this range and the market is now out of this range, so you cannot combine these common point of rejections to take this trade right here. It might work sometimes, but it's risky compared to when the range is still there. All right, so we lost a trade. If you want to join the largest trading competition for free and compete for $10,000 prize for the winner, join the Telegram channel and stay tuned. Details will be posted soon. Okay, I go with the bars right here. And I believe this is not a bad trade. This is a decision point trade. We also have the QM trade down here. So let's see if we fail this one. I will take this QM trade. Let's see if they're going to reject. And then I will explain why did I take this trade. Okay. So we have this resistance area. Okay. And you see how price used to respect this resistance, right? And then we are also in uptrend. Okay. Reject, reject. At least 3 rejections. And then market just doesn't give, it doesn't react from here anymore, and it breaks easily. So it tells us something is happening in this leg of the market. Okay. Price also coming from QM. Okay. See this QM? Price is also coming from QM. So it's pretty strong. And something is happening right here. So in order to see more details about the market in this leg, we need to go to the lower time frames. Okay. So here, do you see anything below the zone? No, we don't. We go one more step. Do you see anything? Yes, we got 2 zones here. One is this one. Another one is this one. Both of them are fresh, so we can count on both of them. Let me just find another zone for the QM. All right, so I think this is same for QM and the decision point. So this zone would be stronger if the price was coming down. It would be very nice because it's also in line with this QM. Anyway, so this is the supply area we found. So if the market comes to this area, it will reject again because this is the supply that is causing this breakout, and that's called a decision point. Market decided to break this in this area and this area. These 2 areas are in the market that the smart money came into the market. Okay. All right. I'm just going to stop right here. I hope you enjoyed. Do not miss the Telegram channel. There will be a grand competition. It will be a competition that everyone can join for free, and the prize will be $10,000. So do not miss it out. Use the first link in the description and join and stay tuned. Thank you for watching, and peace out.